Hey guys, how's it going? So I just picked up this awesome cooler that I didn't even know they even made these things, but it's definitely something that'll come in very handy. It's a real simple design, works amazing. I tested it out, especially with summer right around the corner. It's kind of a must-have. So let me go ahead and get into this. I'll unbox it here and show you exactly how it works and where you can pick one up at. So here's what it looks like. It's a really nice design by Bodega cooler. Has a latch here, keeps it tight. Has all the stuff you need. 2 different kind of plugs. They make different size ones too. So if this is too big or you want a bigger one, they have all different size ones. Very easy. Here's where you'd plug it in at. Very simple. No more dealing with ice, melting all over your sandwiches, all that kind of stuff. You just simply put your cold stuff in here, turn it on, set it what you want, and it'll keep it nice and cold as long as you want, just like a refrigerator. So like I said, they gave you 2 different kind of plugs, so you can plug it however. If you want to use this little 12 volt here, they give you a connection for that, which I believe most cars nowadays have that in the cargo area anyway. So here it is all plugged in. Very simple. Has a nice readout, the temperature here. You can manually adjust it here to what you want it to be. Now one of these will be Celsius, and then Fahrenheit too, so you have kind of program how you want. But then there's a way you can hold down on the settings button here and then program it if you want it the max. Really nice. You can do that too, or you can just do it manually. Compact design, but if you want a bigger one, they have bigger ones, or they even have a little bit smaller one. I like the readout here. Very simple. And it has the directions here. Really simple to use. So you can hold this right here, the settings, and you can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. It's a really nice design. And like I said, it's already getting cold and I just plugged it in. You just want to be careful. If you're sitting there running it without the engine on, it will drain the battery like anything. So just be mindful of that. But overall, a really nice design. Like I said, take it to the beach with you. You don't have to buy ice and all that. We know how that works when you put ice in with sandwiches. They start melting, they get wet. And here's the other plug here, your standard plug. If you have one of those, you can use that as well. So they give you the different options there, depending on how your vehicle's configured. Or if you want to plug it in outside, just to a normal outlet, you can do that as well. You don't have to use it in the car. And what's nice about it too, is it's really quiet. It's not loud. You can put it in your car or have it running when you're taking your road trip. You can't even hear it running. And right now you want to pick one of these up or any of the size ones. I have a 12% off code. Check the link in the description and I'll put my promo code in there as well so you can save yourself some money. And like I said, it's perfect for the summer coming up. It's very intuitive. I mean, it's not complicated to use at all. Just set what you want it to be and it'll keep running to get that temperature, just like your fridge in your house. And like I said, I always would just take a cooler and put ice in it, and that would last a couple hours at best, and it would start getting losing temp. Well, this will keep it the same temp you set it as long as you leave it plugged in. So that is a great idea, especially with summer coming up. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.